To fix PlayStation app captures not working on a device, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side of your iPhone and see if you are connected to Wi-Fi or Android data. And if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the common issue that captures may not be working on previous app. And if you are still connected to Wi-Fi or data and it is still not working, then simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So this helps you to reset all the network settings on a device and also helps you to capture on the PS app. So after disabling the airplane mode, simply open the PS app and try to capture it. If that's working, that's good. If that doesn't, then the next issue may be that your app may not be up to date. So simply open App Store on a device and you just need to search the PS app and you just need to click on the PlayStation app and see if there is any kind of update available. So if you find any update available on the app, you just need to click on the option of update and make sure that your app is up to date. So after doing all of it, you just need to go to settings on a device and click on the option of general and click on the option of iPhone storage. So you just need to check your storage system on iPhone and see if there is enough number of storage available on the iPhone to capture it. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of PlayStation app not capturing. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.